once when your body needs food, water to survive, it means there is lust and desire in the body. It's only when your body is absolutely needs no food, not even a single drop of water, it's only then you can say that person is free from lust and desire. What was
No,
it?
no, like food and water or whatever is a basic necessity, right, for every living being. How is that lust?
You see, once when you're rooted in this body, all right, to keep this body going, to keep this body healthy, you got to do everything that's required. You probably have to eat good food, take good nutrition, etc., etc. So, your life energy, if it is still living in this body, if it wants to live in this body, it needs to build lust and desire, attachment, to live in this body. If your life energy has no lust, no desire, you will not do anything. You'll simply sit down under a tree and you'll simply be there just like a dead body. Without lust, lust is also an energy. Without lust, you simply can't do anything in the society. Lust is a very basic energy in human body.